Grabe guys, ito natin pinakamurang house and lot na nakita ko dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Paano ba naman kasi around 9,000 lang ang monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing, naka-free move-in fee, promo pa tigit sa lahat, malapit lang din sa Metro Manila. Guys, kung ito yung hinahanap nyo, welcome sa Greenway Place, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Tara! Santa Maria, Bulacan is quickly becoming one of the top spots for future housing. Marami na rin ng mga developers ang nakapagpatayo na dito. Apex Homes is one of the affordable, or I would say, pinakamurang house and lot na makikita nyo dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Actually, meron ng previous project si Apex Homes dito, which is yung Sonoma Residences. Sobrang lawak nito guys. Almost 2,000 plus units yung meron dito. Nung naubos, marami pa rin naghahanap, and that's when Apex Homes came up with the idea mag-develop ulit ng other project, which is yung Greenway Place. So ano nga ba yung ine-expect natin dito? This is a pre-selling project. What we have here is single attached, duplex with carport, townhouse 44 with carport, and townhouse 44. But as of now, almost 50% na yung nasold na units, and only townhouse 44 with carport and townhouse 44 na lang yung natitirang units. Dito sa side na to, dito itatayo yung magiging school sa loob ng subdivision. By the way, this is the first ever project ng Apex Homes na magkakaroon ng school sa loob mismo ng subdivision. Sa side naman na to, dito magkakaroon ng commercial area. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng subdivision para bumili ng mga needs. So, ito yung townhouse model. Meron siyang 44 square meters for every units and 36 square meters naman ang kanyang lot area for inner unit. Pero kung gusto niyo ng mas malaking lote, meron naman tayong end unit na nasa 59 square meters ang lot area and corner unit na nasa 84 square meters naman ang lot area. So what you see here is the dressed up model. So pwede ito maging reference nyo or ideal design ng magiging bahay nyo. So ito yung turnover unit niya. As you can see, bare type siya. Wala pa siyang design, wala pa siyang pintura, tiles, bedroom partitions, and hindi pa nakakos yung likod niya. So ang advantage naman nito guys, since bare type siya, you are free to make your own design based on your own preferences. Alam nyo ba guys na ang Philippine Arena ay 20 minutes away lang from Greenway Place? Malapit lang din ito sa mga establishments katulad ng Walter Mart Santa Maria, Save More Market Santa Maria Public Market, Santa Maria Municipal Hall, Dr. Cubaco Hospital, at marami ding mga schools and hospitals. Greenway Place is one of the project of Apex Homes here in Santa Maria, Bulacan. At kilala naman natin si Apex Homes as one of the trusted developer dito sa Pilipinas when it comes to economic housing. Well, in fact, naging number 1 pa nga sila sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan.